Hey everyone, Bilal from Speckle here, and I'm really excited to share something we've been working on. Speckle's Autodesk Construction Cloud integration. If you're working in AEC, you probably know ACC, Autodesk's cloud platform for managing construction files. But here's the thing, all that valuable data just sits there. It's really hard to analyze it, track changes over time, or pull insights from it. That's exactly what this integration solves. Speckle turns your models and files into data you can actually use for analytics, insights, or moving between tools. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this integration. So let's get started. First, you'll need account admin access in ACC. Go to your account admin page, and then from the sidebar, select Custom Integrations. We're going to add the Speckle integration here. So let's select Add Custom Integration. We'll need to set the client ID and give our integration a name. You can get the client ID for Speckle from our docs, link for that in the description below. So let's just copy that from here and paste it in the custom integration page. This is the client ID, and we're going to name this integration as Speckle and select Next. You'll see a permission warning, select Proceed Anyway. Now the Speckle integration is added in ACC. And that's it for the ACC side. Now let's connect ACC to our Speckle workspace. To do that, we need to go to the workspace settings. You can do this by selecting the workspace dropdown from the top left bar and selecting settings. This is the settings dialog, and we have the integrations in the left sidebar for this workspace. Let's go there, and you will see the Autodesk Construction Cloud here. I'm just going to select Login, and you need to log in with the same account information you have in ACC. We're going to select Allow, and that's it. Now my Speckle workspace has access to everything I have access in ACC, and the important part is this is a one-time setup. So now let's sync our first file. From your project, select New Model and sync from ACC. Here, all your hubs, your projects, and your folders will be listed. Let me navigate to this folder. Right now, we support Revit and IFC files with more formats coming soon. But here's something cool though. We support all the way back to Revit 2011, which is something not really possible with the connector. So if you've got historical Revit files in ACC, you can bring those in too. So let me select this Revit file and this IFC file and hit Next. If you're syncing a Revit file, you can optionally specify a view name. Leave it blank and we'll sync all elements from the entire model, or enter a specific view name and we will only sync elements visible in that view. This is great if you are working with large models and only interested in a subset of it. Just make sure the view name matches exactly, including the capitalization. So in this case, I'm not going to enter any view name and just select Create, and we are done. The integration is now set up. From now on, whenever a new version of that file is uploaded to ACC, it will automatically get synced to Speckle. No manual uploads, no opening files in Revit, it just happens. So what can you actually do once your models are in Speckle? You can connect your model data to Power BI using our Power BI connector, or use Speckle Intelligence to build dashboards right inside Speckle. You'll get real-time insights, quantity takeoffs, carbon calculations over time, all updating automatically as your models change in ACC. Your ACC models can flow to any other tool we have connectors for, like Rhino, Grasshopper, SketchUp, you name it. You can use Speckle's Viewer to present models, filter elements, leave comments, track issues, all without needing Revit licenses for your reviewers. You can even embed live models into Notion, Miro, or your presentations. That's it for this video. We are really excited about the ACC integration and what it means for our enterprise customers. Years of historical project data that's been just sitting in ACC, completely inaccessible for analysis, suddenly becomes queryable. You can benchmark performance across your entire portfolio and actually learn from past work at scale and even train AI on real project data. That's the kind of capability that gives enterprise customers a real competitive advantage. If you're interested in the ACC integration, reach out to us at speckle.systems. If you have any questions about this video, drop them in the comments or head over to our forum at speckle.community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.